towards the second stage, that is topic presentation. And are you ready with your topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will first start with Swati, and after presenting your topic, Ritu Modi will ask you some questions regarding your topic. Swati.
My topic is pollution. Pollution is the most serious issue facing the world today. Yet we keeping a turning believing that it would not be affect us. Pollution of various types like land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. Service and other garbages are dumped into the beautiful rivers and oceans that get polluted water, and several other garbages that dumped into on the land, that is called land pollution. The biggest challenge in this situation is that it is the man himself who digging the earth. They do not know that they also versus his quality of life, and they which most of the people in the cities who suffer from several problems like high blood pressure, asthma, skin diseases, etc. Now there is a danger climatic change, pollution. Scientists and many other governments also try to control the pollution. They use clear fuels, proper management, and more growing trees also. There are 4 types of pollution. My first is water pollution, causing waste garbages in the water. They call land pollution. It is also affected the fish also that live in the water. Second is land pollution, dumping on the wastes on the land pollution is called land pollution, and it is also versus the quality of agriculture, that is unfit for agriculture. And noise pollution caused by vehicles and factories, and it also the health hazard, that is malfunctioning of heart and losing of hearing, listening, etc. And air pollution caused by the communication of the factors, that is the air pollution, and it is also affected on the ozone layer, that called ozone depletion. And more about pollution is that, and it is also affects us, our body, health, and many other causes that the pollution which has done. It is also called pollution.
Okay. Now Ritu, it's your turn to ask some questions to her.
As you repeat that there are 4 types of pollution can be tell us. Air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Can you explain? Yes. Noise pollution is from vehicles and factories, and land pollution from wastes dumping on the land. Water pollution also wastes, factories wastes, and goes in the water. It is also water pollution. And air pollution, application of the factories.
Okay, thank you Swati. Now it's time for Ritu to come with her topic.
My today's topic is role of the human in the society. Let me first of all tell you that the biggest problem of human is that they listen half, understand part, and tell the world. And human scientific name is Homo sapiens, as humans are the only thing which are good made in this world and wonderfully made. But today humans are just destroying their own creations. Like they created environment, buildings, factories, etc. etc. Let me give you an example of Alfred Nobel, who just discovered the dynamite, and now the people are just using that dynamite in the wars and creating problems for the humans. But the most important thing of Alfred Nobel was that he discovered Nobel Prize, which was given for the peace in our world. Humans are the only creatures who just think of themselves. If we think that humans are apart from animals, then humans kill animals and then just eat them and destroy the environment which they have already created. As humans, in the Lusaka Jamnapia, there is one thing written in the cage. Notice that there is the biggest animal in the world, dangerous animal, and there is only one mirror in which we can see our face, which states that really we are the only dangerous animal in this world. Humans are the only one who just have themselves, who just want that all everything just given to them. Like if they want to earn money, they want that just the money is earned for them. There are poor and rich, very much destruction between the humans, that they just think of themselves. If we think that humans are the only thing, then we should get the difference between humans, that we should think of others, not for ourselves. This is my topic for you. So thank you.
Okay, Swati, you can ask your questions to her.
Why you say that there are negative role in society?
Because if we see that they are positive, then you can get to know that there are more negative impacts. Like they have created society to live, but they are also destroying it. Like they are becoming terrorists for themselves. They have made those things and they are now destroying those things. The main reason for this.
Okay, thank you both of you. Now we are moving towards our third task, that is problem solving task, and I am giving you one problem and you have to solve. You have to give the solution after a discussion. Your topic is that one of your friend who is underage and he is just bringing his or her father's